Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. What if I told you our idea got us rupees 50,000 and a shout out from some of the top investors from India? This was our very own Shark Tank moment. Let me take you through the entire story. It all started with a simple form submission when our sir told us that there will be a Shark Tank style pitch. 50 plus teams submitted their forms and only 20 were going to be shortlisted. And our idea, Gridonics, made it to the top 20. Next, we had to pitch in front of two incredible judges, Yash Dandavate sir, seed investor at D0.VC, 3x founder and alumni at London B School and IIM Calcutta, and Shaunik Agarwal sir from Day Zero Ventures and ex Rich Panel.
हाय सो आपका टीम नेम क्या है?
व्हाट डू यू फील कि अच्छे से क्वेश्चंस किसके आएंगे लाइक
हाँ सर।
अच्छा, और टेक में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है या सब कुछ सही है? एनी लास्ट मोमेंट सब कुछ है?
टेक पे जाओ।
ओके, हाय आपका नाम बताइए।
मेरा नाम नवनीत है। मेरा नाम संपूत है। हम गोदाम ले लो प्लेटफॉर्म बिल्ड कर रहे हैं।
आपको पिच से पहले कैसा फील हो रहा है?
थोड़ा डर।
और क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो? इन्वेस्टर किससे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस आएंगे?
भाल सर से आ सकते हैं, सुहास सर से।
थैंक यू।
रूट कर रहे हैं।
ओके,
It was intimidating, of course, but we had prepared for it really hard. It was me, Ayush, and Siddhant, our trio, and guess what? We made it to the top 8. And we just didn't stop there. Top 8 wasn't our goal, winning was. So for the next 1 month, we kept refining our pitch deck. Fast forward to 31st May, the grand finale pitch day. And this time, the judges were Subhash Chaudhary sir, co-founder and CTO of Dukaan, Bhavik Rathod sir, built Uber India, co-founded DIY.org and now the president at Scalar School, Abhimanyu Saxena sir, co-founder of InterviewBit and Scalar.
8 ideas, one stage, and 2.5 lakhs of pool money on stage.
We were the first ones to pitch and the first ones to set the bar. The pressure was real. Right before we entered, we had a pre-pitch interview. Felt like a paparazzi.
So now, are you more excited or terrified right now?
नो एक्साइटेड बस से एक्साइटेड
How will you spend the prize money?
we will try to run pilot programs in tier 1, tier 2 cities, train our own model.
What's been the biggest challenge building so far?
You guys have started from zero, like coming here in the college, starting from that stage to coming here in the previous 3 months. That has been a big challenge, but yeah, at the same time, it's a path of being confident, appreciating each other, and growing. That's where we have come.
And then we entered. We gave it our everything. We stood for a product. We delivered the pitch, what we had prepared, and even tackled the questions one by one.
More than 80% of the students have said that personalized feedbacks help them getting better, but in real life, very few of them get it.
Who has actually built this? We are a team of 5 students from Scalar. I am Anushka, the design and product lead. Ayush and Shreyansh handle the front end and marketing. Athmik and Siddhant are the back end engineers.
Why do you think you need to be cheaper? You are offering a solution that's 95% faster. The accuracy is a lot higher, giving more detailed feedback. Why would you want to be so much cheaper? Why not charge higher?
because we also want to penetrate inside the school and course, and we are offering 7 to 8 rupees per course. So to penetrate inside that, we have to keep our prices down.
And after our pitch was over, there were 7 more teams left to perform. The wait felt like a torture, and every passing second felt like an hour.
8 लोगों की पिच खत्म हो गई है। क्या आपको लगता है कि हम जीतेंगे?
What I think is there is a high chances कि हम जीत रहे हैं because we did do a very nice pitch. Judges को भी अच्छा लगा. Maybe it's a success.
All of your teams, all of the teams have participated so far. So it's just outstanding work done by all of you. So kudos on just how far you have come just in the first, second year.
But one thing that you all should know is that you are already ahead of 99.9% people in the world.
And then it was time for the results. Top 4, top 3, and
Third place.
Guesses? So on the third place we have Gridonics.
the name was called out, Gridonics. That was the moment we had waited for the entire month. The praise from our judges and even our friends meant everything.
Probably the best one guy.
Along with that, we also won a cash prize of rupees 50,000.
कोई मोमेंट में ऐसा लगा कि this could go wrong, yeah.
I think we tackled all the questions correctly, and by the end of it, they were pretty impressed. So we did a good job.
Which question? Bit hard or I think all of the questions were pretty good. Not in specific, I have to choose one. But the thing was that our answers were to the point. Like what they wanted is what we did. Did you feel you got your message to them? Definitely.
Definitely, yeah.
This one isn't the destination, it is just our first step. We are more motivated than ever. I would also like to thank my team members Ayush, Siddhant, Shreyansh, and Atmik Bhaiya for being there throughout. Before I sign off, I want to leave you with one powerful learning that we got to learn from the judges. If you're building something or just even thinking of getting started, never underestimate your product. And most importantly, do not sell it just as a student project. Because if you don't value it, other people will happily undervalue it for you. This pitch was just our start, but it taught us lessons that we'll carry forever. Let us know in the comments what you are building, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.